A shocking story has emerged, highlighting the potential dangers of relying on AI for dietary advice. A 60-year-old man seeking a healthier lifestyle ended up in the hospital with chemical poisoning, all because of a simple request to ChatGPT. The man, determined to eliminate table salt from his diet, turned to the large language model for suggestions. ChatGPT, in its infinite wisdom, recommended sodium bromide as a replacement. Little did he know. This seemingly harmless swamp would lead to a 3-month-long battle with bromism, a condition caused by exposure to this toxic chemical. But here's where it gets controversial. Sodium bromide is not a typical dietary recommendation. It's primarily used for cleaning and manufacturing, and its use as an anticonvulsant and sedative has long been discontinued. So, how did ChatGPT, a tool designed to assist, lead this man astray? Upon arrival at the hospital, the man exhibited a range of symptoms including fatigue, insomnia, poor coordination, and even facial acne and cherry angiomas. He also displayed signs of paranoia, believing his neighbor was out to get him. The diagnosis: bromism, a condition with potentially severe consequences. The man was treated with intravenous fluids and electrolytes, and placed on antipsychotic medication. It took 3 weeks of monitoring before he was finally released. This case study, published in the Annals of Internal Medicine, serves as a stark reminder of the limitations of AI. As the researchers noted, these are language prediction tools. They lack common sense and can lead to terrible results if the user doesn't apply their own judgment. Dr. Jacob Glanville, CEO of Centavax, emphasizes the importance of seeking professional medical advice. ChatGPT is not a substitute for a doctor. It's a tool, and like any tool, it requires human oversight and common sense to be used effectively. Dr. Harvey Castro, an emergency medicine physician and AI expert, adds, large language models generate text based on statistical likelihood, not factual accuracy. In this case, ChatGPT's bromide blunder shows why context is crucial in health advice. And this is the part most people miss. There's a regulation gap when it comes to using AI for medical information. As Dr. Castro points out, our terms clearly state that ChatGPT is not intended for treating health conditions. Yet, without proper oversight, people may continue to rely on it for advice. To prevent similar incidents, experts call for more safeguards. Integrated medical knowledge bases, automated risk flags, and a combination of human and AI oversight could help mitigate these risks. So, the question remains, can we trust AI with our health? Or is it time to draw the line and ensure proper regulation and oversight? What are your thoughts? Should we be more cautious when it comes to AI-generated advice? Share your opinions in the comments below.